Motherfucker, get back in. Alright, had to go get ready. Had to put my big chillin' hat on. Get some shoes. And we're ready to go. Stair gang. Always take the stairs.
You can see we're out here in beautiful Cayman Islands. We're on the side, in the front of the hotel we're staying at. We got the Ritz next to us, and we got various other hotels. But what I like about this place is that when you're walking in the States, you have the cars coming from behind you. Here you got them in front of you, because everything is done on the right-hand side steering. So it's a little different, but not that much different. People are the same. I find them more nicer out here for some reason. But
paradise.
It's paradise. It is paradise. It feels like being from Caribbean blood. I can feel the blood even though I'm in the Cayman Islands. Cayman Islands. What I feel about all this is that the blood of the Caribbean runs through us thick. Because I feel like I'm at home. So with all that said, we're taking a walk. We're going to go do a bear run. And I said bear.
You said what?
I said bear. We're going to go get something.
A bear
because
run.
Since we're doing the beach all day, what you got to understand is water is not sufficient. We got to have some other kind of industrial
libation.
But with all that said, we're having a great time. I'm enjoying every moment of this with my son. These are things that are going to be memories for years to come. But if I could, I would tell all of you, if you ever have an opportunity to come out here, do it. Don't think about it. Just do it.
Just
bye-bye for now. God bless.
So just because it's the 2-lane road right now, we're gonna walk kind of past where we need to go to the intersection over here just to be safe. I don't know what the jaywalking standards are here.
That they put by law here. Safest path to resistance is what I call it.
Yup. So
we're gonna follow the rules.
Follow the rules. Always follow the rules. Always take the stairs. Always take the crosswalks.
That's it.
You know?
There's my friend. How you doing, sir? Just so nice out here that when you say something to them, they don't take it offensively. And that's what I love about being in a place where there's happy people.
Okay, let's go.
Here at Tortugas, and I can emphasize with that, which means turtle in English, slow like me.
They won't. Come right here. It's recording. Stand right here, like we're doing like a pose. And get.
Oh.
Stand right here. Get down lower.
I can't.
There we go. All right. So just give it 2 seconds and point out. Champagne and
You would say rum star was like,
originally I'm Boricua, so you're not far from my island, but I live in Florida.
You can taste the rum cake. This flavor is banana.
Ooh, yeah.
Like you can
Oh, man,
use either
this
that one or the mental.
Minto. I've never had that one. Have you ever had that? Is that good? It's good. Try that. Okay, yeah, I'll try it in a
Very
second.
good.
So get that one, and then
Wine, right?
do you want wine or they want wine?
We want wine.
Okay, we'll do Coppola. Ooh, Simi. Yeah, that one's good. What's that one? Director's cut. Director's cut. That looks pretty dope. 2019. We'll do Simi. Yeah, I'm just trying to find the right. What kind of wine does Mom like?
Yeah.
Yeah, Santa Margarita's in the back. It's one of our best sellers.
So, where's that one?
In the back there.
Oh, in the back?
Yeah. This one, and
perfect.
that one. Those three are our best sellers.
Okay,
for Pinot
yeah.
Grigio.
I was gonna grab that one. Yeah. Let's do that.
Yeah, we do. Right behind you on that shelf.
Yeah, let me get some.
You want a big one or a small one?
Just a small one. We only got a couple more
I
days.
don't think
But
banana is an option there for you.
That's good.
Pineapple, chocolate.
Pineapple, yeah.
Pineapple right there.
This one
Ooh,
right here?
pineapple's
And the
good.
one you gave me was what?
Banana.
Ooh, man, I don't know.
Yeah, you gotta go main office for that one.
No, I ain't got time. You're my main office today. Okay. This is good with coffee, bro.
That's delicious.
Okay.
What's this one? Coconut. Oh, yeah. No, that should be perfect.
Now you get the big job today. You're gonna carry this bag.
Okay,
I'll
that's
carry
fine.
the bag.
USD, my darlings?
Do you want rum at all? I don't want rum. I'm just asking you. You good?
No, I
Yeah, we're
had
good.
that mixed up.
We're
with,
good.
You know, with
'Cause we're
rum
gonna end up
and
trying to-
Bacardi, but that's another drink.
No, you're good.
We're here. We did our bear run, and we're gonna have a good time. No matter the weather can't hold us back. We're here in the Caymans, and we're gonna enjoy it no matter what. Oh, yeah, we got something across the street. Right? I saw those guys drinking that beer.
Here?
They got me thirsty. Yeah. They got me thirsty. A cute little liquor store.
But there's little stores over there. I can check it out again.
We were in Florida on vacation, and good old boy Julian, he comes up with an idea, and he says, hey, why don't we all do a fireball together? Did you guys ever try that? And we were like, I don't know what a fireball is. So let me just tell you, we had a fireball. It was the first time, and we had a fireball. Like it was
Fireball.
it was
Fire festival.
yes. It was it burned a little bit, but it was a nice little feeling, and it was delicious. And yeah, we had a ball.
It's like big red gum.
So yeah, he initiated us that day to our first
I used to eat
fireballs.
these with cheese.
Oh yeah, with hot queso.
I don't know why I don't do them no more, but just once in a while.
Because you are not a child.
I can't see Catherine. Can you move?
Tastes like chicken.
Catherine, what were we talking about? We're talking about this is my favorite place.
Where's Harley Mac been?
It's the new one on
the
your
Harley
side.
Mac right
That's
now.
why.
Where you at, Harley? Where you at? You're in.
Oh.
Tag, you're it.
What do you
Do your
order?
vlog. Let's go. Miss you. Love you.
Yo, I got the vibes. Yeah, I got the vibes. Hey, yo, I got the vibes. I know I got the vibes. Hey, yo, I got the vibes. Yeah, I got the vibes. Hey, yo, I got the vibes. Yeah, good vibrations. I'm running on good vibrations. I'm digging on all sensations. I'm showing love to all the nations.
All right, we just dipped our toes in, and then we're gonna have a nice little libation, nice little refreshment. But it's a little bit overcast today still, again. But honestly, it's on and off, so not too bad. So we're chilling in our little hut right now, and we're just gonna enjoy the day. All right. Love you guys. Hope you enjoyed the Great Bear Run.
Yo, you got the vibe.